All right, just gonna put together a quick little video how to install my dual function daytime running light, I guess dual switchback harnesses for the 99 through 06 Silverados. I guess before we even get started, it doesn't matter which way they go. If you'll notice, one of these is missing one. That is on purpose. People always ask, it's supposed to be like that? Yes, this one isn't used. The one that has two tabs, I just pull the third one out because it's not even used. I clip it anyway. So I pull it out. This one is your daytime running light. So you'll plug them in this way. These will go into your headlights. Now you do have to kind of mess with them. You'll have to either plug them in one way and maybe they'll be both yellow or both white, excuse me. Sometimes you gotta flip the plug over 180, plug it in, and same, you gotta kind of mess with it. I haven't found exactly the way to do it, but yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. I'll get them in real quick and I'll show you. Another question is, do these have the resistors? They do not. I don't like cutting factory harnesses, and I don't like adding them to here because it would just bring the cost up. That's on you. If you want to buy the harnesses that go in line, you can. I still don't like those. What I like to do is I just get the LED flasher relay. It goes up under the dash. There is a different part for the 99 through 02s and the 03 through 06. You gotta take this panel off, and there's a relay under there. I do have both of them, I believe, in my parts list on Amazon. I'll link the link in my description. So all the parts that I used, you can see exactly what I used. And then the bulbs that I recommend, I've had some that kind of burn out. These ones have lasted me quite a while. LEDs do seem to kind of burn out quicker than the other bulbs. It's not necessarily the LED that's failing, it's the strap on it. It gets hot. Usually they're undersized, but the ones I get, they're a little bit beefier, and they have actually lasted me a couple years. So doing pretty good so far. So I got it right the first time on this one, got lucky, but sometimes you flip those over or you have to flip the bulbs over. I'll show you what the flash looks like. So that's it. I always test the harnesses before I send them out, so I know they work. Message me on, I guess, Instagram. That's the best. I do have an email. It's just endlesswishlist@gmail.com if you don't have social media. But yeah, there you go.